What up, y'all? It's ASAP Ferg. I'm here with Coinbase. I'm learning about cryptocurrency. We gotta get our coins up. Let's do it. We're about to learn about crypto slang. All right, what does FUD mean? Like, what do you think it? No.
Fear, uncertainty, and doubt.
Yes. You good. All right. Laser eyes. That means you're totally locked in. You're focused. You're mooning. Means you're going all the way high. You're getting to the sky with your cryptocurrency, and letting people know that you're with it. You with the game. Do you know any other slang?
I'm familiar with huddle.
Huddle or hodl?
Holding on for dear life.
Holding on for dear life.
Don't sell.
Yeah.
You can't lose your money if you don't sell.
Hodo sounds like something that you gotta like huddle.
Yeah, so it actually means hold. FOMO, fear of missing out. There's a lot of deals that's going down in the marketplace, and people are making millions and millions of dollars. For instance, when Grime did the big deal and her performance arts, she sold it as an NFT and made all of these millions of dollars. I had fear of missing out because it was like, I could have did that myself. So that's FOMO. Okay, what does REC mean?
Just getting absolutely destroyed. Losing your coin
Okay.
in a downfall, yeah.
That's definitely right.
Right?
You could kind of, if you don't know, you
Like-
can kind of figure it out.
Like a recreation center?
No.
Okay.
I wanna say like stack it up, like something that you would stack up.
So REC means like you totally like, all your coins plummeted. You don't want REC. You don't
Okay.
ever want to experience that.
All right.
But it's a possibility it can happen.
Okay.
But we hope for the best. Moon. I mean, it's obvious where the moon is. The moon is all the way up there. That's when your crypto is going all the way to the moon. You're getting more money. And of course, that's a great thing.